What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? Hope y'all are chilling. Ooh. Ooh. Put that cross on the MACD right there on SPY. So we had a good day yesterday, followed by a sell-off. Hopefully this is a double bottom right here. Let me show you. Hopefully that acts as some type of double bottom here. Getting a push right now in Bitcoin. And today we have, let's see, we have Powell at 12:20. This is a pre-recorded thing at the American Indian Enterprise Development Reservation, an economic summit in Vegas. There's a miss. There's some accuracy on that one. Remember, the G7 summit was last week. Now tomorrow, we get the meeting minutes, we get oil inventory, and Lagarde speaks. Could be interesting. BBIG's, I think their short squeeze score is like 99 point something. I think it was supposed to be my group. 99 point something. So I don't know. I'm still under the impression that if one goes, I mean, there's a high chance that a lot of them go, if not all. Hey, wake the fuck up. Anyone chilling in here? Or am I sitting here talking to myself? Let me see what my dog wants real quick. Well, thank you, Bill. Appreciate that. Oh boy, look at the Qs. Got hammered yesterday. I was watching a little bit. Try to sleep, but ooh. Wow, so it just couldn't handle itself over the 200 yesterday. Yeah. We're good now. Rough weekend. Barely got any sleep too, so I just kind of piled on top of it. I slept like all day yesterday. I did set my alarm though for like 3:30 Eastern. That way I could like check my shit, make sure I was like good to go into today. hammered, huh? Holy shit. See, after the launch of Starlink, I don't think that this could stay down like this. Maybe I'm being too optimistic. I don't know. This is hanging right around the 200. The Qs are right around the 200. Like, we get a push and we could go. But same thing, vice versa. Like, we could also fly way the fuck down. We're just in a very critical spot. Over the MACD, RSI is 53. That same like double bottom vibe though off Bitcoin that I just got right here on ETH. It's like big inverted head and shoulders almost. $5,000 in volume pre-market, nothing. $110K pre-market on AMC here. Again, right under the 200. 200 is right there within spitting distance. MULN 336,000 pre-market. 200's right there. Let's see what's up with BBIG. Uh, 200 is so close. It's in between the pivot and the price action right now. Pretty much on top of the VWAP. Alright. ATER, same thing. I don't know. I'm sensing a trend. Everything is just lining up with the 200 right on top of it. SPY, however, looks like we're about to get a gold cross on it right now. I'm anxious. What was up with the BBIG earnings yesterday? I don't want to read the whole transcript. Okay, so sales are up. UPS down though. No, I gotta log out real quick. 1 second. Oh, hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I was just watching these fucking these reels of uh like the whole Amber Heard like BS. That Camille lawyer, like the whatever her name is, Camille Vasquez. Yeah, that girl's a savage, absolute savage. And then the other attorney was calling her Amber Turd. Like, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that's not the trial I want to see on TV though. Like, I want to see the Ghislaine Maxwell one on TV. Like, what the like? How come we get one and not the other? And notice how like we got the what's it called one too. We got the what's the kid that shot the other like the pedo in Wisconsin. Oh man, you guys know what I'm talking about. But that was some shit. I didn't mean to say that. That was like I basically made a pun joke by accident. She literally shit the bed on Johnny Depp. Like, what the fuck? Oh man, look at them cues. Look, do you know how much like it would cost to clear the entire book on the cues? And somebody did it right here, right at 8. It's expensive. It's got to be really expensive. I mean, it happens a lot, but the Qs and the SPY are going to probably be the most expensive to do it on. Hey, Bitcoin. Same thing right there. Boom. Now we're getting like supply just under the 248, right on top of the VWAP. I want to see this shit like grab some traction and start to run though. I do not want to see it slip. I mean, if it slips, I'll just grab calls on the UVXY, but like, I feel like it's gonna be so much harder to squeeze if it drop off like that. I could be very wrong, but I don't know. It just seems like it would be such a harder task to squeeze while the whole market is headed down. See if we can twist up here. 13 looks like it's on top of everything else. Could be a good sign. Pretty much like everything's aligned, just kind of waiting on the price action to move up. What's up with the fear greed index? 14. It's not as low as a 6 last week, I believe. We have momentum though. Momentum with the swing up. Market volatility neutral. Interesting. Interesting. So everything else is extreme fear except for that. Let's see. What's up with the threshold list? BBIG. DWAC. I know a lot of you guys are in Redbox. I'm not in Redbox, but Redbox is on there too. Late earnings. Infrastructure group to develop a Bitcoin mining facility. Interesting. I wouldn't exactly call myself a infrastructure company though if I was doing that. Consolidating on the fucking 200. Actually, on all the AMAs, realistically. Come bounce out of there, baby. Let's go. That MACD crossed over. It looks like it could turn up. Get out of there. Get out of there. See how all these EMAs are on top of each other like this? It's so wild. Crazy amounts of consolidation. But yeah, the IWM isn't consolidated nearly as much. I mean, it's not doing the same amount of volume as well, but just that 200 is way off compared to everything else that I've looked at so far. I don't know if you guys remember, but last week I also laid down this level right here, this green mark. And it's doing volume just above that, on top of all of the EMAs. I should be in Vegas right now. Oh, all my friends are in fucking Vegas. Not all my friends, but you know. EDC Las Vegas is going on right now. It's bittersweet growing up. Hopefully all this is over with and I can go next year. I just couldn't like do both. I couldn't manage like my portfolios and go to Vegas with like the current setup. There's no way in hell. Way too volatile. Way too volatile. I just got a PSAR switch. Some power up here, come on. Yeah. I don't know how you guys like trade, like wake up. I don't know if anybody's in here that trades on the West Coast, but oh man, I don't know how you guys constantly do that every single day. I mean, I do, I guess, but like, man, I like to sleep in. Bullish engulfing? Engulf that. Go ahead. Run it up. There you go. Go ahead, run it up. Bullish engulfing candle. Alright, let me other dog out now. You guys want to switch? Come on, stop that ask. Go ahead. I just want them to sell off like Bitcoin from all their balance sheets just to, go ahead and cover. That'd be glorious. They're kind of running out of time here, in my personal opinion. Like, with that executive order, say that he were to extend it. Like, let's just say that he were to extend the executive order, like, and then China invaded Taiwan. I mean, I would consider that treason, but everyone's not me. So I guess he could do that, really, but I just feel like there's gonna be so much like leverage put on by then. I don't think that. I just don't. I can't see institutions wanting that unless they were like somehow try to figure out a way to burn everybody by doing it. Like, there's no way in hell that they want that. They everybody to be leveraged up like that. We're just need a little push, a little bit of price action upwards, get them crossers. MACD would cross as well. We know 2000 is a crucial level here for ETH. We need some continuation on this. Bitcoin as well right here. We got the bullish engulfing all the way up here too. So we got sell off that V-shaped recovery. We see some follow through on the handle. CEI just got some candles here. Let's see what's up. It's about with IWM because IWM the 200 was well above it as well. You see TLT sink into that 200. could be gearing up for a big move. If we swing, if we keep with the positive momentum, of course. We cross and dip down. Now we're pretty low here on the MACD. Our size is only at 45 though. That's on AMC. I don't think we're gonna know what the hell's gonna go on until open. These things are just right on top of the EMAs. I'm trying to keep my eye on Bitcoin as well, see if we can kind of gauge that movement, but we're just lacking follow through right now. Bill, I don't know if you're still in here, but there's only 101 volume though on BBIGV. Seems like almost everything is sitting at 200. Oops. What did I do? Low volume. Sorry, I'm just checking out the volumes right now. Almost a 500,000 volume on MULN. It's down 3 cents, but still. Alright, dog's at the door. What the heck? 5 minutes till open. Hard push down there. We want to swing up above. We don't want to dip back down. All the EMAs are way too tight to do that. Ugh. ATR is down 3.5. MULN's down almost 4%. I think that was like 3 cents or 4 cents. BBIG is down 1.02%. GME is down 1.5%. AMC is down 2.25%. But honestly, like everything's trading at like as a 200. So a shift in either direction could be very, very good or catastrophic for basically all of them. We saw last time that Powell spoke as well. So at like 12:20-ish, the SPY could start trading like a meme stock again, like it did last week. Keep that in mind. ATR is up 2% since I last said that. GameStop is up slightly. AMC's down a little bit more. About a minute till open. Two and a half percent down on AMC, 1.3% on GME, 1.7% down on BBIG, 2.86% down on MULN, 1.5% down on ATR. And open. What is this good? Come on, let's catch a direction. GME is down to 93.63. AMC's at 11.30. MULN's at 101. Bitcoin We just got shot down, and now we're getting another shove back up. Highlights to me are in the SPY still. Push, 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 motherfucker, come on. Literally just doing volume on top of the EMAs. That's it. Meanwhile, we're getting pushed down here on AMC and GME. Go ahead, push up, push up, push up, come on. Got a P-star switch here on SPY. 1122 on AMC, 9265 on GME, 101 on MULN. BBIG is at 285. That was going wild. BBIG is down 2%, MULN's down almost 4%, GameStop's down almost 4%, AMC is down 4%. Seem to be topping out right there a few times. So I'm just gonna drop that horizontal. What's up over here? Okay, look at the RSI. Good morning, buddy. Hope you're doing well. RSI is at 20 right now on AMC. 18 on GameStop. Holy God. If anyone's sniping, good luck. I'm not sniping right this second, but let's see. See, the thing is, they're not dropping in price like they normally would. Well, they're not dropping in price as much as they normally would. We just want sub 11 on AMC. 1098, 1097, 1096. I hope so, dude. Well, I hope it doesn't dip, but I mean, I'm here for it. I mean, it is what it is. Let me see what my other dog wants real quick. One sec. What do you want, Bill? Sorry. Get 20 for the plan. I would definitely add more at 901 myself. Not financial advice in any way, shape, or form, but I mean, I have both. I have shares and I have calls. I have calls like GameStop as well. They've been kind of bleeding me a little bit as of late. But like for some reason, it's like the IV keeps jumping up or something, and they're not hurting as much as they normally should. Let's look at the cues. Whew. SPY right now is at 26 on the RSI, and it is on a region of support, like resistance there. See when they slapped the order book right here at 8? I'm right down to this line. $10.77 on AMC. Wow, 76. 91.07 on GME. Push, 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 push. All the EMAs are like literally right here. One nice candle to do it. 24 on the RSI. 7.5%, almost 7.25% down on AMC. 5.5% ish down on GME. It's at 90, just under 91. BBIG is at 279. MULN's at 98 cents. BBIG is at 280 ish. The shove, come on. Did we go below this line in pre-market? Oh shit. What did I just do? Wait, was that 36? We touched below that support line pre. $10.75 on AMC, $91.50 on GME, $2.80 on BBIG, 99 cents on MULN. Bitcoin is just hanging out around 29,000. SPY is getting a little bit of a push, as I was hoping for. It's going up to 13 and then getting some resistance. $10.71 on AMC, $91.71 on GME, $2.82 on BBIG. Three little soldiers there. Technical buy sign for day traders. A little bit of indecision at the top there, though. Yeah. $10.69 on AMC right now. Crazy. Qs are at 286. Are we going to consolidate on my line now? Because I wouldn't be surprised. We got a bearish candle down engulfing the previous, and now we tried to engulf upwards, but now we're going to push down again. TLT's at 118.24 right now. AMC's at 1077, 1078, 91.89 on GME. Inverted hammer on SPY. $284 on BBIG, 91.71 on GME, 1072 on AMC. Push, 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 push. Got a PSR switch. Go ahead. Run it up. Just hit the 48. One-on-one on MULN. BBIG's at 284. 92.03 on GME. 1071 on AMC. And SPY is trying to catch a candle. Crushed it all the way up to the 48, and then we just got pushed right back down. 391.90-ish. Pull up the Qs. Indecision. This is all just an indecision fallen SPY, I bet. Yeah. Come back down here. Hopefully grab some supply underneath this line right here. This green line that I have drawn. We'll see though. We shall see. Almost 10% down. Oh wow. 9% down here on AMC. 1054. 90.54 here on GME. BBIG at 283. MULN's at 101. What is it, Belle? Go get a toy. What is it? My dog just like looks at me and cries like, you were out, you ate. What can I do for you? You want a toy? No. Alright, SPY's 391.60. 391 pushing. Let me see what the fuck she wants. BBIG 281, GME 90.19, 1060-ish on AMC. Bitcoin just went red. Qs are bleeding a little bit. The hammer. Inverted hammer followed by hammer here on SPY. Usually that shows signs of reversal. Let's see if we get that candle. We're starting to get something here. Up to the 24. Bitcoin is trying to stay green. $91.12 on GameStop. Trying to get that push and SPY up to the 48. Coming up to VWAP. $91.11 on GME. 1070 on AMC. .5 down on AMC. 5.69 down on GME. BBIG down. Ouch. Some of these GameStop calls are hurt. That was not too bad though. Just that one. It's like the IV's getting juiced on them so much that like they're not going down what they normally would. $10 and like 55 cents here on AMC. GME is under 90 cents or $90. 89.50 right now. That's crazy. 28 on the RSI. What are we doing here in SPY? Going sideways here. Coming up to test that line, that previous resistance supply line. TLT still at 118.52. What's Tesla at? Tesla's at, wow, 638. Q's still hurting a little bit. $10.52 on AMC. I think that's about to spin up. Yeah, I have a feeling that's gonna spin up here. Let's see. If not, we could be headed way down, like 8%. $10.49 right now on AMC. 85.95 on. No, 88.95. Sorry, on GameStop. BBIG's just under 280. 10.44 here on AMC. 10.45. Qs, look at those. 284 and a half-ish on the Qs. MULN is at $1. Buck even almost. Yep. 277 on BBIG. 88.54 on GameStop. 10.41 on AMC. Bitcoin lost 29,000. They lost 28.9 as well. Hold on, I gotta switch dogs again. One sec. Oh, that candle. Let's go. Come on. $88.10 on GME. $0.96 on MULN. $3.90 on SPY. 284 on 283.9 on the Qs. Push, 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 push. Come on, we need some follow through. We just lost 88 for a brief second there at GME. Inverted hammer candle on AMC. Gonna push. We just lost 390 on SPY. Qs are 284.30. Got 390 back on SPY. UVXY. Gold cross on UVXY. See what's going on here with SPY. 389.36. Trying to engulf the previous candle. It is oversold. Hold on a sec. $88.75 on GME. SPY's about to lose 389. Fighting for it. I gotta grab my other dog real quick. One sec. What are you barking at? What are you barking at? I am. So first of all, I'll tell you it's not my play. And also, there's a dividend, I believe, on this one. There's like 3 P's on that one. Honestly, bro, I'd rather play CEI. I mean, there is a gap right there. If that's what you're talking about. I'd rather just play the Viking Energy or CEI, just because they have the carbon capture patent. Like, you're not wrong. I just I just see more of a like more promise with. All right, so Viking Energy. Look at this. Trading at 64 cents. Okay. Now, all right, so trading at 64 cents. I mean, that right there is 2 cents. And it's going to be trading the same exact way as CEI is. Like they're doing the merger and to be a 1-to-1 merger. And then they're going to have the carbon capture or what's it called? They're going to have the carbon capture patent. Now, if you're trying to build a strong economy with a clean carbon footprint, you're going to want to do carbon capture, right? In theory. That's the way I see it, at least. I mean, Tim is going to be your guy to talk to about IMPP, but CDEF? What's up with CDEF? Again, I do not know much about IMPP because it's just not my play, so I don't study it as much. Tim in our group, he is an IMPP. He's going to know more about IMPP than I will, to be quite honest. I just know that with IMPP, there's like the one with 3Ps. Also, it's more expensive, but it also has a dividend. Analysts have this at a 1064 target price as well. It's getting to a range where a lot of people sold it previous, so it might pick up a little bit as well. Interesting. This CDEV is interesting. Utilization is pretty low though. Higher float. I don't know, that's an interesting one. That is an interesting one. See, like, for that, whoa, holy shit. For the price, in the cheaper price range, like that might be a solid move. I still like CEI heavy like a lot. But then if you talk about higher price ones, like I might bring up something like Fang, like FANG, or like Black Hills Energy. I mean, they're gonna be more expensive, yeah, but they're blue chips. But yeah, as far as compliance and a reverse split, I don't know. I don't know much about it. I was playing Fang for a while and Black Hills, and then I had CEI as well. Um, I've not been touching IMPB. 88.80 on GameStop, 1062, 1063 on AMC. BBIG is at 280. MULN is under $1 now, guys. Wow. Under $3 on ATER. Oh Lord. I don't know, I'm so fucking tired. UVXY is pumping. SPY 387.90. Trying to catch a candle though. It's way oversold. Watch out on those warrants. $89.20, 89 on GME, 1067 on AMC. Yeah, it's up 8 cents. I mean, it is 14%, but a lot of that's in pre-market. That's what we cleared the book on it right there. Could be caught forming cup though. $90 on GME, 1070 on AMC. Whoa. I have no idea what you're saying, buddy. I'm sorry. I don't speak the language. Yes, please like and sub if you have not already. I would appreciate that. Sorry, I'm dealing with like my girlfriend's like really sick, so got her like bitching to me on the side. Let's see. Just under a buck here. MULN 283 on BBIG. We are over $90 on GME, luckily. Go get a toy, bro. Go get a toy. Q's fighting for 283. Let me see what the dog wants. What's up, dog? Outside again? SQQs are pumping. Whew. Well, XRP is sub 40 cents. Holy shit. VIX is above 30 now. AMC 1060, 89.37 on GME, 283 on BBIG, 98 cents on MULN. Pushed by. Come on, you motherfucker. Hold on. Come on, push. Push, 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 push. Sorry, my girlfriend might have those fucking monkey pox or whatever that's going around, and she's like freaking out. Alright, nice candle here on SPY. Let's go. AMC's at 1070. We are above 90 on GME. MULN is at 1. Pushy motherfucker push. Go ahead. Push, 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 push. Come on. Bitcoin just got 29 grand back. Let's see. GameStop fighting for 90. SPY fighting for 389. Still have 90 here on GME. It's fighting for it at least. 1065 on AMC. Come on, what are we doing here? Hold on a second, dog at the door. We're gonna nice handle here back on Spy. I hate to do this again, but my girlfriend is just really kind of like freaking fuck out over this whole thing, so I gotta call her. My bad, yo. I also have to hit the pharmacy too. But I gotta see what the hell's going on with her. You know what I mean? But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. My bad again. Sorry.